Are you dreaming of launching your own marketplace? It's time to make that dream a reality. With Sharetribe's Web Template, you can create a stunning marketplace without any coding. Imagine having a beautiful, customizable interface right at your fingertips. It's perfect for product, rental, or service marketplaces. Plus, your platform can support various types including classified ads and job boards. Sharetribe makes it easy to manage listings, with seamless integrations for payment and communication. The unique selling point: you can customize the backend effortlessly, giving you total control over your marketplace's performance. Don't wait? Start your 14-day free trial today, and take the first step towards launching your marketplace. No credit card required.